welcome back. Today I'm going to, I think, start painting on another saw. So I've already prepped this with some etching primer. Actually, it's been underneath the easel, so there's some splatter on it, but that's fine. That'll get covered up. It's all good. And I went through my archive of pictures that I've had for years, and I have so many sunrise photos from working early in the mornings that I really want to I've been influenced by clouds and the sun and everything, so some sunrises and that pink and bright orange and everything in the sky. So I found a reference photo, and the date's from July 2017 at 5:30 in the morning. So that's what I'm gonna go with. I am gonna add more of a tree line to it, I think, and maybe some silhouette of geese flying or something, but the color scheme, yes, we're gonna do that. So I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so I have some blue mixed up that I'm going to be putting, I'm gonna cover most of the saw with this. Actually, I probably, now that I think about that, I probably don't have enough mixed up, but we'll put this on and we'll see. We'll go from there. There is going to be a tree line on the bottom, so which I think I'm going to keep up a little bit. So I'll not going to put any blue down there. And yeah, painting on the saw is definitely a little different compared to a canvas, because I find, I guess it's even though there's etching primer on there, it is a smooth surface for the paint to adhere to compared to canvas, which is very a fabric, pretty much. Even with gesso on it, it's still a lot more. Actually, I think I will have enough. I don't know what this is, but it's off of there now. A little bump sticking out there. Something I must have, it's been underneath the easel for pretty much all winter, I think. Okay, I do like to try to preserve this. Don't care if a little bit gets on there, but I don't want it looking like trash. Trim it in a little nice. Something like that. I'll leave that because also where the tree line is, it's bright orange down there. So I'm going to stay up in this area where there is blue showing through. Kind of get it, I guess, airbrush looked. I know, sometimes I like that effortless look that it's airbrushed, or there's no texture, but then it is painting. That's what a lot of people enjoy about painting, is seeing the actual brush strokes. That is the point. And I have to sometimes honestly remind myself about that, because that's the style. That's where the character comes in. That's where it separates itself from an actual picture. If you wanted a picture, you'd just print off the picture. I think too, I've done one other video that I talk through the whole experience, and it turned out to be 3 parts. I don't know if it was that well of a hit. So I think this time I'm going to really cut my filming down, so you might not see every single part of the process. I might keep some parts for shorts or something, we'll see. But I think if I'm not gonna talk and just paint, I might just cut that out, just so that you're forewarned. Okay. I think think I'll leave it at that, because I do find the more I go over it with my brush without like more and more paint on it, like it does like actually rip the paint away kind of thing. So we'll leave it like that to dry really well. It doesn't dry as fast as canvas, but yeah, and then we'll start setting, like, I think I'll probably start with the orange, and then I'll probably get into like the deep, I don't know if it's purple, I have to look at my reference photo, deep purple or blue, whatever it may be. It may be a combination of the two, and then like the pink in there, and then I'll worry about like the skyline and everything. So yeah. Hey, at least this isn't like the last time when I tried to put the yellow on the blue when it was wet and made green. No. Let that yellow dry. We're gonna go over again. It is so windy outside today. I was just outside because from here I can see a little, you guys just got a good look of my cheek, but I can see a little bit of the one flower bed, and I noticed that there is, it must be a tulip because they come up first. I don't think it would be a lily already because they're usually a little later starting. But it's like 3 inches up. So I ran outside and I checked it out, and along with my other flower beds, and nothing else. A little bit of quite sure what they're called, honestly. Not hen chickens, but they're really like pink and pretty in the fall. I don't know what they are. That'll be okay. Okay, I'm liking that a lot better. But yeah, so I had to run out and check that out and see what else was growing. But man, it is so windy outside today. I just couldn't believe it. Like, if you like turn around and try to breathe at the wrong time, like it could like literally take your breath away. It is crazy. Okay, so I have my darker purple, and I'm just gonna kind of go over where the clouds are like laying out. Okay, so I have some pink mixed up, and we're gonna go in and kind of just lay out where the pink is gonna sit. And I might go in with a lighter pink after, because I've mixed in my the lighter purple with some pink to start, just for coherency. Because yeah, the pink that I'm doing right now is definitely gonna have to be lightened up. Okay, we have our lighter pink, kind of like a peachy. I'm gonna go back in with, oh yeah. And I'm kinda gonna use it as my highlight. So I'm happy with everything that's on here. So I've just mixed up, since this is already black, I usually sign in black, but not when the canvas is black. I just made up a little pink with some white in it to lighten it up. That kind of corresponds with the theme that's going on. So let's sign off on this painting. There we go. Clean my brush off. I actually broke out a new, can you guys see that? I understand when I see other people doing this, it does not like focusing. Come on. See that? Nice, new, pointy, not gonna fray any of the edges, putting the cover on it, and I'm gonna store that one away so that I know, because I kept my old one. I don't want to get them mixed up because it's kind of fraying. But anyway, here we go. Our finished saw of the sunset reflecting on the clouds. It is so cute. I love it. So with the tree line and just like that, I'm hitting my palette. Just like that that bright yellow at the bottom, and then yeah, like the pink hues go up into the clouds. It's just so cute. And look at how adorable this handle is. A lot of these old saws have really nice crafted handles, so it just makes them extra pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video. And yeah, we'll see you then. Thanks for watching. Bye.